Whoa, a whole day went by. Hey, what's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox. New Year is gonna get crazy fast, so you know, room decor is gonna soften the blow. These 3 hacks are proven to make your 2018 amazing. Not really, they're not proven. One of my New Year's resolutions is to be relaxed, man. Have a lazy day once in a while. Whenever you think of relaxed, you think of a sloth. Ola. I took inspiration from him because I always just saw him on my bedroom wall, just chilling. I want to be more like you, Phil. So he inspired me to make a sloth clock. Slothception. You don't have to be on time for anything because you will never be on time for anything because there's absolutely 0 numbers on this. Granted, it's more of a decoration piece. You can draw numbers on it if you really want to, but that's not the full sloth way. I mean, if you really want to use this as a clock, go for it. It'll force you to be good at time. Maybe I should use this more often because this girl is very unprepared for life. For this DIY, you'll need clock pieces, cardboard, double-sided tape, and a cute picture of a sloth. First, trace the picture onto your cardboard. Now, secure it to the cardboard using double-sided tape or glue. Time to put the clock together. Puns. Poke a hole in the cardboard so the clock can go through. If you want, add the battery and set the time. This part is optional, because you're on sloth time. Sloth. I think my slow-mo's on point today. You can use that. I got a phone. So, clocks, they're pretty great. Thank gosh we have them, because I would never be on time. I don't think anybody would. There wouldn't be time. What if there wasn't time? I'm not gonna fall down that black hole. My New Year's resolution is to organize my life, to be an organized person, because I'm definitely not. Also, this is a tin can organizer. It's literally just taking tin cans, gluing them together, putting some colorful paper on it. Red leather, yellow leather. Oh, just filling it with random stuff. My box is stuff that I just don't know where to put it. We have elephant, dogs, zebras, dinosaurs. We have some blocks. I did not go in the one I wanted it to. Cute little pins. Oh, we have some colorful clothespins. Who knew we would ever need colorful clothespins? Not me. We got some lightsabers. We got some fish. I think this was a bath bomb mold. That can go right there. That's a little topper on top. We also have some rubber bands. And there you go. You're organized. For this DIY, you'll need tin cans, scissors, hot glue, and craft paper. First, measure the paper around the first can and cut it out. Do this for all 6 cans. Next, glue the paper on. Finally, glue them all together. super easy hack. Maybe this year I'll finally get organized. That'll never. Tin can organizer. I've had a lot of different lighting situations in my hack videos. We got the lit lodge, some toilet paper lights.
I like this hack.
But you know, I wanted some mood lighting. I introduced to you the Lumi lantern. I really like the way it dims the light, so it's not like lighting. You know, it's like lighting. I feel like I look really terrifying. You get to drink 2 liters of soda to get the bottle, or you can be healthy and get like the refresher water, but I chose soda. And then we just paper mache a little bit of tissue paper. I feel like an art teacher that's trying to teach you how to do stuff. And I'm like, you do this, and then you get the product, honey. Then your mom will love us and maybe donate some money to the art program. Oh my gosh, I make no sense.
Let's hack it. That's a megaphone.
For this DIY, you'll need a 2-liter soda bottle, LED fairy lights, hot glue, an X-Acto knife, scissors, and tissue paper dots. Start by carefully cutting off the top of the soda bottle with an X-Acto knife. You may want to get an adult's help for this part. Next, decorate the bottle with the tissue paper dots. Cut a hole for the cord and put in the fairy lights. Ta-da! Illumination. And that's it, you guys. Let me know how your room looks. Mine looks very slothy. Which one was your favorite? Comment down below. Mine was definitely the Lumi lantern because that mood lighting, I like it. Also, make sure to check out MyFroggyStuff's versions of these DIYs. Give this video a big claw up if you like room decor. Subscribe for sloths and new videos every Friday. Do you have anything you need to say? Oh. Anyone to say that you should turn on the post notifications? Okay, that's not what he said. Wait, we have to do a shout out for our Goldie squad. He knows. Lauren Martinez was the first like. That's so cool. You go, girl. Yes, GoldieBlox and Phil are signing off.